guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sarah Albert, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for coming back. And today's video, I'm going to be starting a 1-year mini braid challenge. Yes, you heard me right. So I've been natural for about 4 years now, and I feel like I'm not retaining enough length as I should, and I've always wanted to have a very long hair, waist length, but here's where my hair is at right now. So I believe that starting this challenge will help me retain length, as I will not be losing my hair regularly, I will not be combing it regularly. So I feel the braids will help me keep in length, and I'll just love to see how my growth will be. For this journey, I'm going to be keeping track of my length retention. I'm going to be doing length checks every month. I'm going to start a very healthy hair routine using good natural products. I already made my African black soap shampoo. If the video is not already up, expect it soon. So I'm going to be doing lots of natural hair products, trying out different things and seeing how my hair is going to grow very long in this 1 year. So I hope you stay tuned and join me as I start this journey. I'm just going to go now, and I'll be right back with my mini braids, and we're going to measure and check the length. Yes, so I'm back and I have my mini braids done already. As you can see, the journey begins. So I'm going to go ahead now to measure the length of my hair, because I made a shirt ready to be able to track my length retention and my growth. So this is a measuring tape, and then I'll just place it at the last hair here. So my hair is about 8 inches, as you can see. So I went ahead to measure the length of my hair at the back of the shirt, mark the points, which is 8 inches, and then I used my measuring tape to mark the rest points all the way up to 20 inches. So here's a picture of me checking my hair length. So we'll keep on doing this for every month. Please stick with me. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.